Welcome and congratulations for getting the Stock Exchange Master Class. My name is Akilayo Christiana. Seeing that I am doing well in the world of stock exchange, I cannot keep the secret to myself for two major reasons. A lot of people need to be financially liberated. They need adequate knowledge on how they can build up their assets gradually. And my number two reason is because when it comes to stock exchange, there is a lot of misconception, misinformations. Some people thought it has crashed. Some people thought you cannot make money via stock exchange again. But I'm here to show you that myself, my students, and many others, we are exploring and enjoying the world of stock exchange. And I also want to guide you on how you can explore and enjoy it as well. So I need you to have a right mindset towards stock exchange. It is not a Ponzi scheme. It is not a get quick rich scheme. You are not expected to put your money today and expect huge amount of money tomorrow. If that is what you are looking for, I'm sorry to disappoint you. Stock exchange, just like other real investment, is long time investment that takes time to appreciate. It takes time for you to enjoy it. So you need the right mindset about stock exchange. You need to take your time to go through all the details of this training, and you need to apply everything you are going to be learning in this training. Then there's a support group for you to ask questions if need be. So these are our outlines that we are going to use for the training. These are the outlines we are using for the training. Shall we begin? Congratulations once again for getting the training.